Ka Krishi Vijayan Kendra, Jente Hills, haka arpu artrek mta ubenai. Kalara ke yaka World Water Day, halor kapang Valuing Water, yaka bola penlong Horticulture Hub, Talasken West Jente Hills District. Yaka program la penyait deka kong arleng do balayo yaki kentin pediang da u Dr. Di Paswet, ubala pesuturu alor ka jinon kam bat ka jingkordor jongka hakini kisngi bamenta kamtam haki jakasor, nalor ka jingbun breu kabala bu jing e ban pendapan biang ya ka haki yang kisem jongki kiwei de kibal ajing kren kilom ka kong esken jing kabadai na katanat district agriculture kabal pensngeu ya ka jinon kam jongka hakabadai bat karep karyang bat ban penek pensa ya ka jing tung jing tap
to make it a campaign, and the same campaign in the days to come it will become a movement to be done by all of us. And to make this movement to be very, very successful, we have to take pledge by each and everyone from today itself. How to sustain our lives in near future. Without water, I don't think we'll be able to survive in this world. You see, my dear students, number of population has been decreased. But otherwise, the numbers of or the quantity of water has been decreased. Why it happens? Because left and right, without thinking ethically, for our own greed, we are failing the things.